the one thing that remains true is the rain games that we have had, the wetter it gets, the better it plays.
You played right through them, most of them, huh?
Yeah. There was the one bad, like we played almost 9 innings of just rain. And I just kept an eye on the infield. I didn't have to run out here until late in the game.
Really?
The 9th inning. Everything else, all our effort was just mound and plate.
Mound and plate,
We would run out there and just clean up the chunks so they don't make a mess. And it kept, the fact that we were just able to do all our concentration in there kept that going a lot better.